up a high-stakes Game 3 here tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise if you're able and remove your hats as Linden Sewage performs the Star Spangled Banner and O Canada. Mesdames et messieurs, veuillez vous lever et retirer chapeau et casquette pour l'interprétation des hymnes nationaux par Linden Sewage.
Oh, say does that Star Spangled Banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Sports presented by Geico. Alex Faust, Jennifer Botterill, Colby Armstrong here with you. Carolina up 2-0 in the series as it shifts north.
Well, the Hurricanes have played fast. They have played a high-pressure style, and they have been led by their second line, Stankoven, Hall, and Blake, 3 points each through the first 2 games of this series. They have been in full control. Colby, the Sens looking to change things around.
Yeah, down 2, but welcome to Ottawa. Some home cooking will be good, especially for their big boys. Senators would be wise to score first and make this Canes team a little uncomfortable in this atmosphere.
Senators have been a resilient team all season. They'll need to tap into that once again to get back in this series. Carolina looking to reach the second round for an 8th straight year. Can they take a 3-0 stranglehold? We'll find out. Canes win the opening faceoff and send the puck around the boards. No changes for Carolina. For Ottawa, big changes on defense. Still no Artem Zub out with an injury from Game 1. Tyler Levin returns for the first time this postseason. He'll draw into the lineup after a broken jaw in early April. And Cam Trotty will make his Stanley Cup playoff debut as the Hurricanes ice the puck here.
Dave Allmark. Hall trying to feed it back to the circle. Gets it back off the stick. And Stankoven scores! Logan Stankoven on a one-timer for the circle. Carolina has the opening goal. And Stankoven has the opening goal for the 3rd straight game.
Well, Stankoven, he has been on a roll. We talked about this second line. So this starts at the other end because Ottawa, they started aggressive for the chance. It creates this 2-on-1. Eventually, you get the coverage back, but they've got speed up the ice and then just maintain possession. That's about Stankoven. Staying ready for that pass to come across. One-timer, top shelf, and Allmark can't get there quickly enough. That's about transition game and looking for your space in the offensive zone.
Cousins. Nick Cousins to the front. They score! Drake Batherson. Ottawa has tied it.
offensive goal, this place gets to erupt. They've got some life. Travis Green said we got to stay with it. We can't get frustrated. It's a
Fans on a pass, gets it back. Miller feeds Blake. They score! The Hurricanes respond and retake the lead. Jackson Blake, 2-1 Carolina.
Well, this second line keeps on rolling for the Carolina Hurricanes. And in the offensive zone, you've got these guys fighting each other. What a response. In moments after the Sens have scored, look at this Hall. He has been setting up players, even under pressure, fends it off. He finds the pass across to Miller, the seam pass, and Blake all alone. The catch, the turn, and the release. There is no chance for Allmark.
Yeah, look at Miller. He was walking right down and in, and Allmark had to put his focus on that play and that pass to the backseat.